The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is already shaping up to be one of the most anticipated foldables of 2026. With that, Samsung is expected to solve one of the biggest issues with foldable smartphones, the visible crease in the middle caused by folding the device. Though they have been able to reduce it to some extent with the ultra-thin Galaxy Z Fold 7, you can still find obvious creases. So, the foldables are getting thinner day by day, similar to the footprint of a regular smartphone, and the level of crease is becoming subtle, which brings us to the point: are foldables becoming mainstream? Let's find out on the basis of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8, what upgrades it needs to be a daily driver. Samsung Display was recently seen displaying a new panel technology at CES 2026, and the visitors who saw it in person reported that the screen looked almost completely flat when opened. This new panel was shown side by side with the display used on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and the difference was noticeable. You can find certain creases from various angles, while the new one looks completely flat and smooth across the device. Now, it might be a concern about how many times Samsung has folded the panels to actually form that crease. However, the video shared by Max Jamber on Twitter shows the panel in regular lighting, and the crease was barely noticeable, which could make foldable phones feel more natural to use. Samsung is branding it as Advanced Creaseless Display, and is expected to utilize it on the upcoming Fold 8. According to a report from ZDNet Korea, the creaseless OLED panel showcased at CES 2026 will be used in the Galaxy Z Fold 8. There are also rumors of Apple using the same display technology for its own foldable smartphones in the future. As for the display, the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to come with an 8-inch AMOLED panel, coupled with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The outer display, on the other hand, will feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of over 2600 nits. So, you can actually use it as a regular smartphone when folded, and get most of your tasks done. The outer display is also tipped to feature Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 scratch-resistant glass protection. For powering up your productivity, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will come up with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, ensuring smooth performance even when multitasking and playing graphics-intensive games. Now, let's talk about whether the upcoming flagship foldable can be a daily driver smartphone or not. It really depends on the pricing. Right now, the price is beyond the reach of everyone, which also makes sense considering the hardware and performance you are getting. But apart from a larger screen, you can get similar performance from any flagship smartphone, so why pay so much more? To give you an exact idea, the current Galaxy Z Fold 7 costs around $2,000, which will also be the case for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 as well. You can literally buy a Galaxy S series phone and an iPhone at the same price. So, Samsung really needs to cut down the production cost and the price for the foldable smartphone as well. But overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could be the first foldable to offer a creaseless, natural display and the power of productivity into a single smartphone. The phone is expected to be released in July 2026, just like its predecessor. So, what other upgrades are you expecting from the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.